I was making money with an app called Shopify way before I became a full-time YouTuber. So I know exactly how entrepreneurs, creators, even other YouTubers are using Shopify now to make millions of dollars, and just how useful using Shopify will be to you. So here's a 2-minute explanation of exactly what Shopify is to get you started. Okay, so Shopify isn't really just one thing, so I'll explain all the different components of it throughout the video. But in its essence, Shopify just makes it easy for anyone to build online stores and sell products online. Over 1.5 million websites run using Shopify, and these include huge people sites like Kylie Jenner's, YouTuber Logan Paul, even the brand Hasbro power their shop with Shopify. Its pricing plans start at $29 a month. So, imagine you're a YouTuber like me. You sell 2 t-shirts a month, which make you $15 worth of profit. You've covered your monthly Shopify costs with just a few product sales. Then every sale you make after that is pure profit for yourself. And to make that super cheap cost even better, there's a 2-week free trial that you can get for Shopify by using the link below this video, where you can go away, build your store, test it out, see if you can make sales and earn money before you even start a penny during that 2-week free trial. So like I said, grab that trial below in the description to this video. Right, so I said Shopify isn't a single thing. Here is its basic range of product offerings. So it's going to give you the ability to have a product catalog where your followers, customers can browse through your products online, to handle payments from your customers, to handle the shipping process when you receive orders for your products. It's going to give you the ability to advertise your merch, your products on Facebook and Google from within the Shopify software. And it's also going to give you reporting and also mobile support, so you can manage your whole store from your mobile phone. And this stuff all exists to empower anyone to be able to easily sell their own products online and start making money. You've even got the option to not even make your own products. It's easy. You literally just send your followers, so people watching your videos and reading your posts, you send them to your Shopify store. That's one way. You can also run ads on social media to get attention to your store. And the third option, well, Shopify has sent me a 21-step advanced course on how to get your first sale on Shopify, which is actually on my website, which you can find a link to that free training below in the description too. So you've got the link to get Shopify for free for 2 weeks down there, and you've also got the link to get that 21-step training on how to get your first sale for free. So this arsenal of features is just a huge opportunity for creators and digital entrepreneurs that I used to use, that I see a lot of people using currently, that I don't want you to miss out on. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more money tips like this for creators. Like this video if you liked it. And well, that's it really. I've been Greg. You've been great. Peace out. See you on the next video.